Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. Before start, make sure your WhatsApp up to date. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Now I would like to show you how to chatting with Meta AI on WhatsApp. To access Meta AI directly, tap on the blue circle icon above the chats in the top right corner. Ask Meta AI anything. Tap on the chat box from bottom left corner of the screen. Here you will have to accept the terms and condition for using the feature when prompt. Tap continue. This will open the chat box in a new chat similar to your other WhatsApp chats. Now you can ask anything to Meta AI by entering your question in the chat box. Then tap green send button. Once you have started a chat with Meta AI, you can interact with it by sending messages just like in a regular WhatsApp conversation. Meta AI can understand and respond to a wide range of topics and questions. Meta AI will generate a response using artificial intelligence based on your prompts. Now I would like to show you how to use Meta AI in existing chats. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the name of the person or the group chat where you want to use Meta AI. Simply type @Meta AI in the message box, or you can type @only and tap Meta AI. Tap continue for the first time. Then type your question or anything and tap send button. Meta AI will provide a response to your prompt, which will be visible all the participants in the chat. You can generate and uploading images using Meta AI. In the chat box, enter @, then tap Meta AI, enter /, then tap Imagine. Now describe the image using the text in the prompt box. Tap on the send icon and the AI will generate the image you want. Once an image is generated, you can also update it easily by changing your prompt. So these are the steps to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.